so many people to the ground. They wanted to watch the film stars in action. They wanted them to play cricket, the most popular sport in this country, and they've enjoyed every moment of this. We started this tournament in Sharjah. There also we had a huge turnout, and the crowd has built up over the past 3 or 4 weekends. There's the yellow flags fluttering, more support here for the Rhinos. We are at the Rajiv Gandhi Stadium in Hyderabad, coming live for this final match of this tournament. Last 3 overs, 23 runs conceded, and they've got a wicket. So it's not so bad for the Bulldozers. They have managed to restore some kind of parity to the proceedings here.
It's important. They've done the hard work so far for 19 overs. It's very important how they finish it off now. Whether they finish on 160, 165, that's the key. Or whether the Bulldozers restrict them. First one goes, they want to. They needed to throw it much sooner. But in the end, they get 2 runs in the bargain.
Pradeep, who's operating from round the stumps. This is good work there at long off. Throw came in very sharply, but Pradeep wasn't aware. If he had thrown at the striker's end, he could have easily affected a run out. Sudeep doesn't like it at all. He's telling them to be more aware of what is the need at this stage. It all adds to the excitement. There's so much of drama on the field, and we are in the 20th over. Vikrant to the 92. Can he get his 100?
Was over the top of mid-on fielder. The mid-long off is coming. He's done well to collect that ball. Well, so much of drama out there and so much of noise also, Sabah. No one can hear anyone out there in the middle.
154 for 3, 19.
He's kept a mid-on inside the circle, and he's bowling the full length deliveries, or the good length deliveries. That's helping Ramana to hit over the top. And in the process, he's collected 4 runs the first 2 deliveries. And now they have pushed him back. They need to get some more fielder inside. There are only 2 at this stage. They'll need 1 more inside the circle. Only 3 so far. He's getting the sweeper cover inside. He's getting the square leg inside. Yes, if you're bowling full length delivery, it makes sense to get the fielder from deep square leg inside the circle.
Goes back again, but this time it's straight to long on, and he makes no mistake. That's the 4th wicket for the Chennai Rhinos. Bowled a length delivery and rightly swatted out, but this time there was long on in place, and he makes no mistake. The blue flags are flying.
Last 3 balls of innings. Batsman on strike. Vikrant batting on 92. Will Vikrant make his century or not? Last 3 balls.
It's the captain Vishal who walks out to partner Vikrant, who's on 92. The captain offers him advice.
19.3 Chennai Rhinos.
He hasn't done too well with the bat, but he's led his side quite well. His fielding has been brilliant. He's there because of this. Ramana wanted to go over the top, manages to find Rajiv in the deep, who ran in to take that catch.
Last 3 balls left. A lot of things happening. A lot of definitely going to bowl a cross seam delivery. Oh, terrific shot. He strikes it well, but straight to the fielder. He wants the second run. He goes for it, and they miss it, and he gets it in the end. It's all happening out there in the middle.
It's all happening. It's all happening out there. 150
They're working on the nerves of the Bulldozers. He ran the first one hard. He was waiting. The throw was slightly wavered, and Vikrant went for the second one. The underarms, he rolls it. Sudeep to wicketkeeper, he misses. So then I smashed 2 runs of that delivery.
Just 6 runs from his terrific 3-figure mark. Vikrant, he's on strike. We'll have to wait and watch whether he gets it or not. He slices it straight to third man. That will just get him 1 run. Unless there is a wide ball or a no ball and they run for it, he's not going to get back on strike, so he will remain on 95.
95 not out. Last ball of the innings coming up. Batsman on strike for Chennai Rhinos for last delivery. Vishal.
So the last one coming up here, 157 for 4. What an innings for the Rhinos. They've done very well. They won the toss and they decided to bat first. And they've put up a very decent score here for the Bulldozers to chase. This is the finals. They got huge support here from people of Hyderabad. They're all here for the Rhinos. So all that will work for them when they come out to defend. It will be like a cauldron for the Bulldozers. Final delivery. Bowls well inside edge. He'll get some runs. It goes to the fence. Oh, so things have gone Rhinos' way today. In the end, in the 20 overs, they managed 161 for 4 of the last delivery. Inside edge or towards, went to the fence.